Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Emails play a very important role in modern communication for both personal and professional interactions. In this fast paced world, timely and appropriate responses are critical. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can manage this task that is fully capable of understanding the context and crafting appropriate responses, ensuring that every message is acknowledged promptly. This not only enhances efficiency but also elevates the level of engagement and satisfaction among correspondents. Leveraging AI for email management can make our digital communication more effective and less burdensome. So here is an email. It says plugins and themes were updated. Detailed information will be emailed to you on a weekly basis. Do you want to monitor site uptime as well? I wanted to take a moment to share with you some additional web development services we offer related to WordPress. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything else you would like to discuss. To start replying, I have to click yes or no. To agree, I will click yes, and the reply is crafted according to the context. It says, yes, please go ahead and monitor the site uptime as well. Thank you for offering this service. I can change it according to my need or just press the send button. And if I disagree, I can press no, and it will generate a polite and appropriate response accordingly. It says, thank you for the update. I appreciate the offer, but I will not require site uptime monitoring at this time. And if I want to generate custom response, I can do so. Press custom, type response requirement here. I will type ask them to describe web development services they offer and tell them to monitor site uptime as well. Hit enter and it crafted response that I needed in proper words. It says, hello, thank you for the update. Yes, please monitor site uptime as well. Could you kindly describe the web development services you offer related to WordPress? Thank you. So to do this similar from your email program, all you have to do is to install a Chrome extension. From Chrome Web Store, search for Magical AI Writer. This is the extension, Magical AI Writer and Autofill Text Expander. Install it in Chrome and it will be right here. It uses ChatGPT to craft email response according to the conversation context. Add this extension to Google Chrome and you should see this icon appear at the bottom of emails. You can also add email templates to add in the email. For example, if I want to add address from saved template, I can use dash address. This is a template trigger that I created. It added this text at the bottom of email. To add and manage templates, go to extension settings, click options. This was the address trigger and this is the text that was added when I used this trigger. So I will click create button, type trigger here starting with dash and here type the text that will replace the trigger and hit save button. Now if I will use dash website, that link will appear here. So whenever you want to use a specific template, use relevant trigger in email. Also, if you are writing an email, it can assist you with that as well. For example, let's compose a new email. Click this icon that says write with AI and type roughly what you want to say in the email. For example, tell Bobby to get the design template done by today and get it approved from the client. Then share with front-end team and tell them to start working on it on first priority. Click this button and here is the email. It also included subject, urgent, design template and front-end team, prioritization. So email says, Dear Bobby, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to inform you about an urgent task that requires your immediate attention. We need the design template to be completed by the end of today. Once it's done, please ensure it is approved by the client. After receiving the client's approval, kindly share the approved design template with the front-end team. Please instruct them to prioritize this task and start working on it immediately. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Best regards. The benefit of using this extension is appropriate words in the email. You don't have to worry about spell mistakes and where to add these important words like please and kindly. It makes communication polite, appropriate, and effective. Okay, if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one.